Welcome to the WalTech 2.0 installation guide, designed to seamlessly replace your Coleman Mach or Airxcel single-zone thermostat. The same wiring method is used for the home thermostat and WalTech 1.0. Step 1. Identify the Coleman Mach or Airxcel single-zone thermostat wires and connect them to WalTech 2.0. Let us identify the functions of each wire using the colors. Here's an image of Coleman Mach or Airxcel thermostat wiring. Both these thermostats use similar wiring. Let us understand the wiring now from top to bottom. The red color wires connected at the top are positive 12-volt DC. The blue color wires below that is the negative 12-volt or ground. Below that are gray and green wires that operates your fan speed. Gray energizes your low fan speed and green energizes the high fan speed. Now let us get to the AC or compressor. The yellow wire energizes your AC, and the black wire below energizes the heat pump. Now let us get to the last component, the furnace. It is the white color wire at the bottom. How do we connect these to the WalTech thermostat? Step 2. Connecting wires to WalTech 2.0. Now, let's connect these wires to the back of your WalTech 2.0 thermostat. Connect the red wire positive 12-volt to pin number 7. Connect the blue wire that is the ground wire or negative 12-volt to pin number 8. The gray wires that is the low fan wires are to be connected to pin number 13. Green wire that is the high fan wires are to be connected to pin number 14. The yellow wire is connected to AC and this should be connected to pin number 2. Now the heating units, the white wire is the furnace and the black wire is the heat pump. Connect them based on your preference. If you want the furnace to be your heat 1, then connect it to pin number 5, and if you want the heat pump to be your heat 2, connect them to pin number 4. In some cases, you might not have all the components like AC, heat pump, or furnace. You only need to wire what is available in your existing thermostat. Relay comment: please ensure that you use a jumper wire and connect pin number 6 and pin number 7. This ensures that all relays are energized as needed. Let's look at the relay kit. Make sure you have the following items ready: 1 relay with 4 wires, 3 wire nuts, 3 small wires, 1 blue and 2 pink. First, let's join the ground wires using a wire nut. Combine the ground wire going to pin number 8, the black wire from the relay, and the small blue wire in a wire nut as shown in the picture. Connect the small blue wire to the pin number 8. Second, combine both the small pink wires, the yellow wire coming from the relay, and the red plus 12V wire from pin number 7 in a wire nut. Connect one small pink wire to pin number 7 and the other small pink wire to pin number 6. This provides power and creates a jumper connection. Third, if connecting the furnace to heat 1, connect the white wire from the relay to pin number 5. If heat 2, then pin number 4. Lastly, connect the white wire from the furnace wire to the red wire in the relay. Use a wire nut to secure them together. Cover the wire nuts with tape to ensure safety and prevent wires from coming loose during travel. Refer to the picture to ensure that the wiring is correct. To set up the thermostat, start on the Home screen. Select Settings. Scroll to Factory Reset at the bottom of the page. Read the prompt and confirm with Yes. Avoid pressing any buttons when the restart and power off options appear. Please wait a few minutes for the process to complete. The thermostat will reboot automatically. Once restarted, you'll be directed to the setup page to configure your system. Choose Coleman Airxcel Home Thermostat under the Setup options. Confirm by clicking Finish. Choose your heating as based on how you have wired the WalTech thermostat. In this case, I am choosing Furnace as Heat 1, Heat Pump as Heat 2. Heat 3 is not applicable. Submit your selection, and your WalTech thermostat will now mimic the single-zone thermostat. Please allow a few minutes for WalTech 2.0 to scan the controllers and identify your HVAC systems. And that's it. You've successfully installed and programmed your WalTech 2.0. ushering in a new era of comfort and control for your RV. Thank you for choosing WalTech.